Now, as you can see here, we've got another one of these Kato SD40-2s. This one has a sound decoder in it. And when I turn the DCC power on, I get sound. But using Decoder Pro, can't get them to identify. Don't know exactly what's going on. I cannot get them to identify at all. But he got sound. Alright, so let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and break him down. He's going to get rebuilt. He was one of them Katos, just like we've been doing. I'm sure we're going to be doing a Rev 1 motor. And we're going to make the modifications that we made before by milling that frame. And then we rewire them, redo them. Would be nice if this decoder, if we could save it. That'd be really nice. What do we got here? Okay, so what do we got? Oh man. Well, okay. First thing we got is, oh crap, I can't even remember what this thing is called in here, but see that guy in there? That's one of those light boards that we like. So he's in there. Looks good. I see we have a giant keep alive. And we've got a really old decoder. Soundtraxx. Oh, and hey, guess what? I can tell right now that our friend Phil did this. And he put this TCS connector in here that I love. Awesome. That TCS connector, I think those are great. They're not in my budget to use on my stuff, but they are for this one. Alright, so taped in here with some regular old masking tape. See what we got. Alright. We're going to do some unsoldering. Oh yes, and as you can see, we got those copper strips again, which we don't like. And they're a huge source of problem. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Phil did. And the same thing we did on the last one. We're gonna get that fixed up now. This decoder, holy crap! All right, let's see what can we do here. Well, here's the speakers. We know the speakers are wired up, right? Let's get this guy off here. Oh no, two of you guys are soldered the same thing? Well, that's not good. That's not what we really wanted. So let's go ahead on and get rid of it. The masking tape is also not really what we wanted. Oh, that black one was wired to that CK. This one I understand being wired to that ground. There's the keep alive. Oh no. And so you guys are soldered together? Well, that's not good. We want to not use a keep alive if at all possible. Because we don't like runaways. And keep alives are, hey, they're troublesome for runaways. What a keep alive does is it disguises track work that might need some maintenance. Alright, so whatever we got in here, we're going to need to get him out, but it'd be nice if we could, it'd be really nice if we could get this guy to identify. Okay, this is an Athearn. This is some kind of Genesis soundboard. Soundtraxx. Soundtraxx what? This board is 10 years old. Soundtraxx Durango. What is that, Durango, Colorado? Yep. Made in USA. Athearn RTR Rev B. Okay. So, we're gonna have to. I'm gonna give it one more test. I'm gonna try it out, and we'll see what we're gonna do with this. And let's hope if I can get some movement out of it, that would be fantastic. All right, we'll find out in a little bit.